Okay, so I'm going to test out it's not the new method, but it is a method I've never used before. They're saying to get your elastic band, the most of your elastic band is to add a piece of fabric to the back of it and then zigzag stitch it so you connect it together like this instead of overlapping it, and this will stop the bulkiness. So let's see. Now, I think you don't actually need the fabric behind it, but just for safe measures, we're going to keep the fabric behind it and make sure your elastic is the right way, all the way around. So, scoot you over here and we will zigzag it. So you want to do this a little more. So I think, like, instead of using the fabric, I think you could just connect it together and zigzag it like that. And we're going to go over it again. I know this is not the right needle for this, so then you do a little bit over here, and then do a little bit over here. So the reason I say you don't necessarily need the fabric behind it, because you're going to cut all this off. Well, you're going to cut a lot of it off. Like the pieces that are here, you're going to cut this part off. And then you're going to cut the pieces right here that are off cut these off and cut the top half off. Yeah, so cut all that off. And so that's why I say you honestly don't need that fabric. You just need to be able to go over the elastic the right way. So here it is. Here is where you're going to add the elastic to the waistband. I do like this method a lot because there is no bulk in the elastic and it seemed to come out a lot even. So what I'm doing here is I am sewing as close as I can to the elastic so that it doesn't move or twist when I'm wearing it. And voila, here is the leggings on. It took me an hour to make these leggings. I love the waistband because you really can't tell that it's like attached, like it's attached. Also, I am going to really get into lining up the fabric. I am going to figure it out. One day I'm gonna get it. Every time I think I got it, I don't got it. But it doesn't matter. I love these leggings. They're very comfortable. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And stay tuned for the next one. Bye!